Hello, today I'm going to show you how to extend Google Veo 3 videos beyond 8 seconds. So, if you're making videos using Google Veo 3 and they are just 4 seconds or below 8 seconds, you'll have to just watch this video till the end to learn everything about it. First, navigate to Flow because you won't be able to build a consistent video with any other tool. So, what I'm going to simply do is open any browser and I will type in labs.google. Now, it will take you to this page where you'll have to click on Create with Flow, and it will take you to another page where you'll have to basically sign in by clicking on Create with Flow using your user credentials. After you do this, you'll be on this page. Here, you'll have to simply choose to start a new project, or you can also start with the previous one. So basically navigate to Flow. After you do this, you'll be on this page. Here, you can see I've generated this scene, that is Peely from Fortnite talking in camera as a reporter. So if I would want to extend this video, what I'll have to simply do is just hover my mouse over this and click add to scene. Now click on this scene builder option at the top and it will open up this page. Here, the previous video just got added to the scene. Now here what you're going to simply do is click on this cursor and make sure you take it at the end. Take this cursor from the bottom, place it at the end and just click on this plus icon and choose Save Frame as Asset. Now, it will instantly save this frame as an asset. Make sure you choose the last part of your video through which the tool can extend it. After you do this, it will take some time to upload. Now, after selecting the frame, you'll have to simply paste the prompt that is an extension of this. After entering your prompt, simply press enter and the AI tool will start generating this video and it will be instantly beyond 8 seconds, not just 4 seconds or anything below 8 seconds. You can just enter in the prompt how much seconds you want to increase and hit enter and the AI will instantly generate that video. So this is the simple way through which you can extend Veo 3 videos duration beyond 8 seconds. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.